Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super useful tutorial: how to add your Capital One card to PayPal in 2025. Whether you're shopping online, sending money to friends, or managing your finances, linking these two can make your life a whole lot easier. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a tip. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have everything ready. You'll need a Capital One credit or debit card and an active PayPal account. Start by opening the PayPal app or website on your device. Log in with your credentials to get to your dashboard. It's that simple. Once you're logged in, head over to the Wallet section. This is usually found in the menu on the left side or at the top of the page. Here, you'll see your current payment methods. Click on Add a card or Link a bank. Now, select Credit or debit card as your option. Next, enter your Capital One card details carefully. That includes the card number, expiration date, CVV, and the name on the card. Double-check everything to avoid any errors. Nobody wants a rejected transaction. PayPal might ask for your billing address too, so fill that in accurately. After submitting the details, PayPal will often verify the card by processing a small temporary hold or sending a code. Keep an eye on your Capital One app or statements for this. Once verified, your card will be linked and ready to use for payments. Pro tip: always monitor your accounts for security. If you run into any issues, like an error message, check if your Capital One card is eligible or contact customer support for both services. This process is straightforward, but it's good to be cautious. And there you have it. That's how you add Capital One to PayPal in 2025. It's a quick way to streamline your payments and save time. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay smart with your money.